Inputs are used for monitoring. They use icons to represent the status of normal and abnormal states. Later in this demo, you'll see how to assign the icons. Inputs show real-time change of state. Here we see a door open and close. Here's another example. The real-time change of state can be seen even on maps. Let's look at this input on a map. Right-clicking brings up the menu. On the map, we see the input open and close. Inputs produce alarms only when they are armed. They can be armed automatically by time zones, or they can be armed manually by using the pop-up menu. The tools in the toolbar are available also. We see this action is logged in the event window. To prevent armed inputs from producing alarms requires that the device be bypassed. To manually bypass an input, you may use the pop-up menu or a tool in the toolbar. We see this action is logged also. Now we'll show an example of handling an alarm. We'll generate one and step through the process. Beep on alarm is an option. It is turned off for this demo. An alarm will be displayed in the event windows, in the input window, and on a map if programmed. It can be handled by clicking on it in any of those areas. If the alarm is programmed with a set of instructions for the operator to follow, they will be displayed here. This is called an action message. The alarm counter displays one active alarm. Now we'll click on the alarm text. We have now acknowledged the alarm. We are in the alarm handling screen. The alarm beep would have stopped at this point if it were sounding. This displays the time the alarm occurred. The action message we saw is displayed here also. From this screen, we could go to a map, or we could go to a camera that views this area with live video. If a DVR is used with a camera that covers this area, the WinDSX software could automatically display the video for that area at the time of the alarm. The alarm is now acknowledged, but considered unresolved. In real situations, it usually takes some investigation as to the cause of the alarm. The unresolved alarm counter displays 1. The red alarm text changed to green. Notice the alarm acknowledgement log in the event window. We will now assume that we have investigated the alarm and are ready to resolve it. Click anywhere on the event. This takes us back to the alarm handling window. We can append operator comments that you have predefined. Select from the list. You can also add comments by the current operator. You may enter as many lines as needed. Comments to this resolution will become part of the history on this event. Click on the Resolve button. The alarm resolution is logged. We check the alarm counter and unresolved counter and see there are no longer any alarms pending. We will generate one last alarm. Alarms can be programmed to display maps automatically. From the maps, they can be acknowledged, which will then display the alarm handling window where they can be resolved.